Hi guys. Next tour. Now we are in the Prague castle.
Famous painters you know from the Bohemian region or from the Czech Republic, but one of the famous name you should probably know is Alphonse Mucha or Musha. He was a decorator and painter in Art Nouveau style, and the stained glass or chapel was decorated by him. So this is the one of the courtyard, official seat of the Czech president. In front of you, the offices. Even in past, it was the seat of the royal members. And also on the left side, you can see the gorgeous Church of St. George. In front of the St. George Basilic with towers Adam and Eva. And this is one of the oldest church here in Prague Castle, even older than St. Peter's on other side of this.
Okay, so now we are going on our viewpoint in the Wenceslas Vineyard, and from here you will see the one of the most beautiful view from the hill on the Prague bridges. Wenceslas Vineyard viewpoint was close, so I can satisfy you by the view from the lesser town, from the Charles Bridge, and also on the old town with the Hotel Four Seasons, also the Jewish Quarter and other famous buildings. So we are in the Wallenstein Park or Gardens. In past it was seat of the Albrecht von Wallenstein family, the Lord Commander and Generalismus. And now it's the upper chamber of the Czech Parliament. Even the tourism situation or in tourist industry is still very critical. Not that much group here in Prague. For the personal tourists, even for the groups, it's really beautiful period to come here and explore the city without any people, just few groups. One of our group, it's only 8 people, so it's more like a private. So if you have a chance, come here to Europe, explore the city with us. Thank you. It's very calm, the prices on the hotels and restaurants are very cheap, so it's one of the best time to come here and see one of the European destinations. Come to Europe. To the very popular point for the tourists, it's July, and people are coming here to put the flowers and candles. So now we are on the Charles Bridge. It's 500 meters long and 10 meters wide. There are more than 30 statues of saints on the bridge, and one of the famous statue of the John of Nepomuk. He was killed by emperor because he didn't tell the secret of the confessional service from the queen. And the place where they torture and kill him, you can make a wish, but statue is not that right place where you can make a wish. The place where you can do it, it's not far from here, and I will show you a little bit later.
So thank you so much.